What's going on, world? This is your boy, Sus Villano, better known as Jamar Johnson when we're talking business. And if you're watching this, then that means you are a smart cookie. Or that means you're stuck at home and you have nothing else to do, so you found this link by accident. And honestly, it's probably in your best interest that you found this link, because what I'm going to show you right now is everything I just explained in the last video. So if you watched the video, went over the 4 things you need to be successful, to be even profitable, to even have a face online, went over the 4 tools you need. First, a product or service. Next thing, you need a platform. After that, you need a system to automate it. Then after that, you need the right traffic. I have the solution for you. And as you saw, it's just $1. So while you're home, while you are going through these trials and tribulations, the easiest thing you could do is work on a solution. If not for yourself, work on a solution for somebody else. And let me tell you this, there is no shortages of businesses. Even though everybody's home right now, a lot of the brick and mortars are going through, their laps right now. If you're online, you're alive. And if you aren't online, you should probably get online. So when this thing clears up, you are in the forefront. So everything that you need to build a business online, giving away for just $1. Now, why am I excited about this? I am super excited because for the past 3 years, I've used this platform. I'll go ahead and show you some. Well, actually, if you guys want to, you can watch a video where I have some proofs. I share some proofs of the power of this platform, not only for me, for building for my clients meaning people who needed businesses, needed websites, mobile apps, or they needed to scale up their websites or apps that they had, but for myself. I've used these tools for myself. I even use this platform to tell people about this platform. So you're seeing everything you need, right? Just $1. You'll get the website, which is where you want your business to be. You'll get the tools and stuff for the automation, the email autoresponders, the chatbots, Facebook chatbots. If you aren't familiar with those, you guys can watch some videos that I have later that explains the power of all of this stuff. But everything in this system is set to automate your life. You see that I love the word automation. That means doing something. That means a process happening on its own, right? If that, then this. So this is where we are in 2020. Everything is online. If your business isn't online, you don't have a business. So a lot of the reasons people are online is because 1, they think it costs too much. 2, they don't know how to do it. 3, what would be a good 3 one? Oh, yeah. They have no idea once they get a business online what to do after that, right? Or 4, they don't even know they need to be online. So a lot of those reasons that hold people back, I know for me, it was financials. I didn't think I could afford what I needed to be successful. And this platform has everything you need. I promise you, has everything you need. Now, of course, once you start to get developed, if you're somebody that's experienced and you use ClickFunnels or you use Kartra, and look, don't get me wrong, I used other platforms in the past. I still use a few different other tools, but this is the most complete all-in-one platform that you can get for anybody that's looking to generate leads, right? Anybody that's looking to generate sales, anybody looking to create an event, create a funnel, create a squeeze page, a membership, an e-learning course. I can go on and on about the power of this stuff. I'm scrolling so you guys can see. Now, if you're somebody that can't build anything, right, but you know that this stuff makes sense, there's even a funnel club where you can just log in, copy a link, and start to share sites that are already built for you with others. So in other words, it explains what I'm explaining right now to other people for you. So I don't know anywhere else. Actually, there is nowhere else. There's nowhere else in the world you can go that has everything you need. You can see all of this stuff right here. Chatbot, Sitebot. Even if you have WordPress, you can plug this in. If you are in e-commerce, they have a Magento plugin for that side. There's e-learning. There's a virtual assistants. For webinars, if you're big on webinars or automated webinars, which a lot of businesses are, we have the platform for that. Honestly, guys, there is no comparison to this platform. And I'm excited because what was costing me once $70, $80 a month now is $1 for somebody to start. So if you're out there right now and you're looking for something to do, not for yourself, but for somebody else, this is a perfect solution. But if you are ready to build your own brand or build a business, you have an idea that you want to bring to life, this platform is essential. Not only is it essential, it's something that will stay up forever. So even when you take a day off, the site's up. Even when you are on social media just talking about your life, the site's up. So when somebody is ready to buy or somebody is ready to take advantage, your platform will provide for you. So once again, I just went over everything we had here real quick. You guys know about the 4 tools you need, and here's the solution. And it's $1 to access it. So go ahead and take a look at this video. You can press the button below. It'll take you to this page. You can click this to watch all of the amazing tools and stuff we have. I'll go ahead and click it. I love the music. The music gets me excited. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at that. I forgot to talk about how fast the websites are. I forgot to talk about the power of you being able to track to see where people are going on your website. Actually, I didn't forget it. I'd be here forever if I told you about everything that this platform has. So don't wait. You're sitting at home, you're not doing nothing. Or if you're a business owner, you're already being proactive. You know the power of the internet. You know this is the place that you need to be. Take action right now. And it's only $1. So with that being said, my name's Seuss Villiano, better known as Jamar Johnson when we're talking business. And in this case, we are talking business. We're talking your business. Access it now for just $1. Send me a message once you get it, and I'll see you on the other side.